Hello, dear friends. This is Foam Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helps you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to log out of your Messenger account. The first way is to just delete the app and download it again. But if you don't want to delete it, there is another way. For this, you go into the app. Then you click on the three bars, and this is where you click on Account. Next, you open the settings, you go down to the bottom, and you click on Account Center, and you click on See More. Now you go down to the bottom, and select Password and Security, and then click on where you're logged in. Now select the account we want. Go to the bottom. Here you select devices to log out, and here you can select some or all of the devices that you want to log out of. And log out of them. Just click Log Out. As you can see, it's a very simple and quick way. Done. Nothing complicated. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Foam Support. Bye bye. See you later.